Hello friend, in this video we are going to discuss about what is poetry with its definition and its origin. Poetry from the Greek word poesis meaning making or creating. Poetry has a long history of oral tradition. The oldest surviving poem is the Epic of Gilgamesh, which was written in 3000 BC. Aristotle's famous book Poetics, which describes three genres of poetry, which are epic poem, comic poem, and a tragic poem. These are some of the random definitions of a poetry. A poetry is actually nothing but a collection of words that express an emotion or idea. Poems are literary attempt to share personal experiences and feelings. Good poems show images which leave the reader the sense of delight, awe, and wonder. Poetry has a long history of oral tradition. Almost in every civilization, the early literature we find in the form of a poetry. Even the oldest surviving epics or books are written in a poetry. We normally say that poetry is actually nothing but a speech in verse. Dante's treatise on vernacular poetry, De Vulgari Eloquentia, suggests that around 1300 poetry was typically conceived of as a species of eloquence. Wordsworth famously called poetry the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings, which are recollected in tranquility. P.B. Shelley joyfully called poetry the record of the best and happiest moments of the happiest and best minds. Matthew Arnold narrowed the definition to a criticism of life. Wallace Stevens characterized poetry as revelation of words by means of the words. Thank you.